introduction here. This entire lane used to be called as the Pagadband Ali. Now pagdis were important, as were the fetas, as were your topis, because that was an indication, like I said, of the hierarchy that existed. Okay. Again, when I did ask the proprietor, and in Pune, perhaps it's the influences that we've seen of Western education, there's a great deal of denial that there was caste equation in place. Having said that, you scratch the surface, just like the Nawari, there'll be a Brahmani Nawari. Was it worn only by the Brahmin? No, everybody can wear it today. Yes, today people can wear it, but there is that aspect that is there as to what is a Brahmin, what is a non-Brahmin, which caste was what. And this is where when you look at how the evolution of this Ali took place, earlier they were jhandas. Why were jhandas needed? Jhandas were needed because, remember, Maratha light cavalry. They went all over, you needed a jhanda, as simple as that. The second part of it was also because they needed the headgear, because headgear formed a form of protection. And we'll see how here, when you look at the various kinds of pagdis, they're actually stuff that can weigh you down. It can protect your head, especially if you're looking at, talwars and swords and other things. This shop is actually pretty interesting, not just because Girish Murudkar has done a lot of work around it. He's artistic in nature, he does it for movies. He's one of the last few left who makes a pagdi, by hand and pastes it and puts it. But it is also important because it is a classical sort of small scale industry model which was present maybe 300 years ago as well. That the front of the shop was for the customers. You take a lane slightly at the back, the owner would have a small factory with the apprentices working and stay upstairs. So the front was street facing, was for customers, but you can actually see पीछे में जा करके इधर से अगर हम साइड से जाएंगे, if you are, and I discovered it because when I started asking them for the bathroom, they said go at the back. And it's beautifully renovated. We might just ask Mrs. Murudkar is the one who's there. It's beautifully put in place. Even today they continue to work right inside. Okay, so let's go in, and then I'm going to be telling you about the various kind of pagdis. Of course, these guys know much better. I've only learned from them, so feel free to ask them as well. The pagdis also yeah, it also has the GI tags thing, and that's been done because of the efforts of the Murudkars themselves. Okay. Hello, how are you? Good to see you. Okay, so everyone, this is Mr. Girish Murudkar. He's actually an artist. He and his wife, Mrs. Murudkar, they are the ones who have been keeping this art alive. So since you are here, can I ask you to explain about the pagdis, please? So he's the one who does all the pagdis and he'll tell you. But like I said, when you keep in mind the evolution from a rural background where the pagdi came in as a form of headgear to the Marathas who became light cavalry and thus needed it for protection. And then in the middle there are the religious ones, there are various ones, the preferences by each one of them, including depending on where they came in from in terms of origin. Over to you.
Hello everybody.
Hello.
As ma'am explained, pagdis were initially started to protect our head from any attack or from sunlight or air. It was just like a helmet. Ancient helmet. Now you can see various types of pagdis over here. I'll show you. I'll be there. You must have seen Bajirao Mastani movie, Sanjay Leela Bhansali's movie. So this one is Bajirao Pagdi. You can see. This is Peshwai Pagdi.
Can we start with the oldest pagdi, Mr. Murudkar, that white one that you have, which is the Maratha pagdi?
Tukaram Pagdi?
Tukaram pagdi.
Yes. This is Tukaram Pagdi.
Yeah.
This era was Shivaji Maharaj era. Sant Tukaram, he was saint. He used to wear this type of pagdi. We have modified with the tilak, so that whoever is wearing, automatically tilak comes there. Yeah. This is the Tukaram Pagdi. Yeah, you can wear it. Just a minute. One more thing should be worn like this, so that it will look better.
The shala.
And if you want to try, you can. You want? 12.
So what fabric is used in the Tukaram pagdi?
Cotton. 100% cotton.
That's good.
Huh?
That's it. You're looking there. Now you have to say Jai Maharashtra.
Actually, these all saints, including Dhaneshwar Tukaram said, "Avghe Vishwachi माझे घर." Means not only Maharashtra, not only India, not only Earth. Total universe is my house. So there are no limitations of Maharashtra and India.
What do you call this?
Uparna.
Uparna.
That's Shela, no?
हाँ, the Shaila.
Shela, Uparna, yeah. And again, one person because of whom you ladies are here happily. His name is Mahatma Phule. Yeah. This is Phule Pagdi. Unfortunately, Mahatma Phule didn't get that much importance. But it is worth to say Mahatma to him.
No, but
He
that
did
is
a
why
lot
he's
of-
Mahatma.
Yeah.
So,
We know that, but he couldn't get that much footage.
So word on the Phule Pagdi, Mahatma Phule and Jyotiba Phule were from the Mali community, right? Again, they were a community that was not traditionally supposed to be in knowledge or getting into other stuff. So when you look at the Phule Pagdi, it is also again symbolic of an ideology. In that sense, so a lot of the pagdis have a lot of ideologies attached to it, and even today when it is worn keeping in mind that ideology, and that's how when we look at the Gandhi topi today, you know,
Yes.
in some senses it has adopted that the Gandhi topi stands for certain values, right? So that's one thing that needs to be kept in mind when we look at each of these pagdis,
Yes.
because they stand for a particular value. I think the greatest example of that is which is the Adil Shahi one.
Yeah, Mughal Pagdi. And as madam said, this Pagdi is called Satya Shodhaki Pagdi. Because Phule started Satya Shodhak Samaj, I think.
Yeah.
That's why it is called Satya Shodhaki
What does
Pagdi.
Satya Shodhak mean?
Satya means
Satya is Satya.
Satya and
So
Shodhak
these
means
to have the research on the Satya. And so he actually, because he was a Mari person, Mari is a gardener. So he was not allowed in that time to learn and go for the education and all that. But he was much interested into that. So that Brahmani Paddhati was there going on, which was very stringent. And so he had to correct the things. And that is why he went to the research on the truth. And to tell the all below caste persons what is the truth, you must know it. That is
person must be learned, educated. That's why he used to wear that. But 99% Brahmins were learned, educated, as it was their bread and butter. So that's why it was called Brahmi Pagdi. But the point is that, apart from casteism, point is that one who wears this Pagdi, we can guess that he is learned and educated person. That point she was telling you. And that
So
was
that's
Mughal.
but this is the Adil Shahi. They call it Mughal because they associate the Adil Shahis as a part of that, but this is Adil Shahi Pagdi.
No, I have 20 to 30 Pagdi, various patterns. in
Yeah,
this.
yeah.
Just for example, I have brought this one.
Okay.
अजून काही 2-3 प्रकार आहेत का फक्त?
अच्छा, एक वो पेशवाई पगड़ी दिखा देंगे तो
हाँ,
पेशवा पगड़ी
This is पेशवाई पगड़ी.
एंड होलकर पगड़ी.
This is triangle वाला है सर.
ये ऐसी पगड़ी जाती है, क्रॉस. और पुनेरी पगड़ी ऐसे पगड़ी पहनी जाती है.
और एक वो जो आपका सोल्जर वाला वो ये वाला
ऐसा
पगड़ी
ऐसा?
बोट वाला ये वाला सरदार पगड़ी
हाँ,
बोलते हैं.
This is मावली पगड़ी.
मावड़ी पगड़ी.
मावली पगड़ी.
मावड़ी इज अ फुट सोल्जर.
हाँ, मराठा warriors. Recruits, all recruits.
Mawad is one plant over here.
Yes.
Yeah, but so from that area they came. So Mawadi.
And actually, at that time, Maratha army was to be built by Maharaj. It was not already well organized. So many people used to wear whatever they get, any cloth. Afterwards, it was symbol in later part of Marathi Shahi.
And there's one which is for the leader of the commander of the forces.
This is
no? हाँ,
Shindeshahi Pagdi.
Shindeshahi,
Or
yes.
whole cup means various
You have
type
one
of
without
sardars. Right now, no. H. Shiva hai. Without blue chai.
Because this is not a part of Peshwai. Yes.
This is some data if you want to see various types of pagdi. We make it as per the order because there is no sale for these pagdis day to day on the day-to-day basis. And you can this is Shivaji Maharaj pagdi. इसे कहते हैं you can say it Jireto. Name
Jireto
of this
bhi, yeah.
pagdi is Jireto.
And Gokhale Pagdi. That is the Gokhale one.
Yes, yes.
Chakri Pagdi.
Chakri pagdi. Gokhale used to wear this.
Gokhale used to wear this. Chakri Pagdi.
Chakri pagdi. And even Peshwas were also wearing this one only, but that material was decorative, silk or something better.
Can I see that one? That is a Peshwai. Yeah.
No, this is a
This is
Maratha Sardar pagdi.
Sardar Pagdi.
Maratha
Yes.
Sardar pagdi.
So before also it used to be priestess top. People used to wear it every day.
No,
It used to be
pagdi is-
tied every day.
and not every day, once a week or. And
have one for my head
safas
fitting?
were used to be daily.
You have one for my size. This won't fit. Too big. Too small. Too small.
Same
I need a
decorative
bigger
line.
one.
सफास कौन पहनता
like this. Even
शादी के-
Sardars, then जनरल पब्लिक पहनते थे. और ये साफा में भी जो पहनने का तरीका है वो अपने अपने उद्योग धंधा के अनुसार था. अभी ये तो हर रोज है लोग पहनते थे. अभी हमें तैयार रखना पड़ता है क्योंकि लोगों को आता नहीं है पहनना.
मेरे को आप एक ये मेरा साइज में दिखाओगे?
एक मावळी.
आणि ते जे आपले म्हणजे बाजीराव म्हटलं ते थोरले बाजीराव
हां हां.
तर त्याचा आपल्याला पॅटर्न असा मिळालेला होता का असा ऑफिशियली डिझाईन त्याचं मिळालं
नाही डिझाईन आता त्याचं असं झालं
हा.
कि मला एकदा तुम्हाला हे ना आपको हिंदी समझ में आती है.
हाँ, सबको आती है.
एक बार अंजू मोदी इंटरनेशनल डिज़ाइनर है अंजू मोदी, यू कैन सर्च. उनका फ़ोन आया कि संजय सर कुछ फिल्म बनाना चाहते हैं, हमें आपके यहाँ से पगड़ियों की मालूमात चाहिए. फिर वो मेरा टाइम लेके आई दिल्ली से और उन्होंने कुछ डेटा लाए थे और वो जानने के बाद उन्होंने रिकमेंड किया कि मुरुडकर के यहाँ से ही बाजीराव मस्तानी का काम करवाना है. दे नो ईच एंड एवरीथिंग. तो फिर उन्होंने ये जो पगड़ी है, कहने का मतलब ये है कि ये है ओरिजिनल पेशवाई पगड़ी. फिर उन्होंने कुछ मुझे चेंजेस बताया. तो अभी हम इससे बाजीराव पगड़ी क्यों कहते हैं कि बाजीराव मस्तानी के लिए मैं पहनाता हूँ.
हाँ हाँ बिल्ड कर अजून हाँ
ये पीछे जाने दो ताकि वो पहने.
ये यूं करके
अरसा है ना, अरसा दाखवतो. आप यहाँ आइए सो दैट यू कैन सी.
मैं मेरे को देखना बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं हो तो ऊपर भी देख सकती हूँ मैं.
हाँ ऊपर भी देख सकते हैं. ये थोड़ा हैट जैसा भी था, हैट जैसा टू प्रोटेक्ट फ्रॉम सनलाइट एंड अटैक. एक सेकंड, जस्ट अ मिनट, वेट. आप मेरी तरफ देखिए, सेंटर बराबर लेता हूँ ताकि वो फोटो ठीक आए. ये सेंटर में आना जी. अभी
You want to try this? That's how heavy it is. And he's made it lightly.
Yeah, he's made it lighter.
He's made it much lighter.
तो इसका ये जो है ना, इसका मॉडिफिकेशन करके वो अभी उनका डिजाइनिंग है, तो मुझे सुनना पड़ा कि ओरिजिनल क्या मैंने बताया, फिर वैसा बनाया वो.
हा म्हणजे ओरिजिनल हे आहे.
हे ओरिजिनल ही पेशवा आहे. मग त्यात थोडं मॉडिफिकेशन.
हो, आणि ते त्याला डेकोरेट करायचे असेल
और
ना.
एक बात बताता हूँ कि वो टाइम में हर एक पेशवा की पगड़ी अलग अलग मॉडिफाइड ही थी.
बरोबर आहे.
मतलब ऐसा कोई जेरोक्स कॉपी नहीं थी.
बरोबर.
अपने फैशन उस टाइम की फैशन के
फैशन के हिसाब से, कपड़े के हिसाब से. और बांधने वाले कोष्टी समाज के लोग रहते थे बांधने वाले. फिर वो बांधते थे, तो हर एक का हाथ अलग. जैसे मैं शिवाजी निकालूंगा, आप निकालेंगे, ये निकालेगी, तो हर एक का शिवाजी अलग आएगा. वैसा ही पगड़ी का शेप अलग अलग आता था. इसलिए ये जो फोटोज मैं बता रहा हूँ, आप जितने भी पेशवाज के या मुगल के फोटो दिखोगे, तो हर एक के इसमें फर्क आएगा थोड़ा थोड़ा. इसका कारण ये, बांधने वाले का हाथ जैसा घूमेगा वैसा उसका शेप आएगा. तो हर एक की आर्ट अलग अलग है.
हे कोणाचा?
या लेडीज या
इराणी पद्धतीचं आहे ना हे?
हा, या ज्या मुघल स्त्रिया होत्या ना,
हां, हां.
त्यांचं.
हा क्लॉथ किती मोठा असतो?
अच्छा, पगडीचा हा साधारणपणे 50 मीटर कापड असतं ते. 4 इंचेस विड्थ अँड 50 मीटर लॉन्ग.
ओके.
उसको बत्ती बोलते. यू वॉन्ट टू सी दॅट? हे बत्ती आहे.
And how
I
long?
can show you that. That is 50 meters long. It's more than 100 feet. ये this is typical मराठा पगड़ी.
How long does it
औरंगजेब
generally
आहे
take to drape that entire thing? 50 मीटरचा एक बांधायला किती वेळ लागतो साधारण?
आता तर रेडीच येतात. आता अशा
पण
मोल्डवर.
actual
पण
बांधायला-
त्यावेळेला बांधायला साधारण 1 तास लागायचा.
1 तास?
हा, ते म्हणजे ही बांधायला अर्धा ते 1 तास कमीत कमी. आणि ते कॉमन कोष्टी पीपल यूज टू टाय दिस, नॉट ही हिमसेल्फ. पेशवाज खुद नहीं बांधते थे. ये लकड़े के राउंड. हां, तर हे कसं बांधायचे त्याचा माझ्याकडे स्टडी करायला ऑल ओव्हर वर्ल्डमधले लोक आहेत. तर त्यांच्यासाठी एक सॅम्पल मी ठेवला होता, ते तुम्हाला बघायचं असेल तर दाखवतो. बघायचं आहे का? मागू का?
हे औरंगजेबचं आहे काय?